What's your name?
Julie.
Hey Julie. So I guess just let us know what made you want to come here in the first place.
Well, I've been doing some other therapies for probably the last year, and I use a lady that does massage therapy, and she had suggested that doing chiropractic stuff might help benefit some issues that I was having with my right shoulder bicep area, and I'm also a breast cancer survivor. So with that being said, I kind of have a lot of scar tissue built up in my upper body frame. So that's pretty much the reason why I decided to come.
Okay. And so what was like the hardest task for you to do, or things in your life that maybe you used to love to do and then all of a sudden because of the issues with your shoulder and bicep, you couldn't do anymore?
For the most part, my husband and I definitely like to go hiking, bicycling, just everyday life. My arm became what they call a frozen shoulder, so just walking became kind of scary as far as like if I fall, I literally felt like my arm would break just because of how frozen it was.
So after you came to Dr. Gray, I know you've been coming to him for a little while, what have you noticed as far as your symptoms? Have they gotten better? Have they maybe subsided, or have they gotten some?
Most definitely have improved a lot. I've been coming to Dr. Gray, I want to say since September, before I had my last breast cancer surgery. So we did about 6 weeks of therapy. I was coming about 3 days a week. Definitely Shay, his assistant as well, has helped me. We use a machine called the Easton, and as well as an ultrasound machine that helped me break up some of the scar tissue in my bicep area. Shay and Dr. Gray, of course, too, gave me some exercises and stretches to do at home. But everything has helped a lot.
What do you think is like the biggest difference, like in your quality of life, like your things you like to do?
The biggest thing probably I would complain the most is I had a hard time sleeping. My arms, I'd wake up numerous times in the night with numbness, like an achy pain. Now I get my sleep. I won't say that I don't still have some here and there pain, but it's definitely gotten much, much better.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you just letting us know how you feel about coming to Dr. Gray. So
thank you for having me.